Let me share with you how to make an incredibly fragrant and simple cumin lamb dish at home. When your family craves the taste of lamb skewers, you can create a meal that is not only more delicious but also made with ingredients you trust completely. This method ensures the lamb is tender and full of flavor without any unwanted taste. We start with about 500 grams of lamb leg meat. This cut is perfect because it has fine fibers, which means it will be tender after cooking. Use a sharp knife to cut the meat into small, even pieces, roughly 2 centimeters each. This helps everything cook at the same rate to ensure the lamb has no strong taste. This next step is the most important. Place the cut lamb into a bowl and cover it completely with fresh, cold water. Let it soak for 1 full hour. During this time, change the water 2 times. You will see the water become cloudy as it draws out the impurities. This simple act of patience makes all the difference. After soaking, drain the lamb and pat it very dry with paper towels. Place the meat in a large mixing bowl. To this, add a few slices of ginger, 1 slice spring onion, a handful of thin onion strips, and 2 sliced garlic cloves. These aromatics are the foundation of a wonderful scent. Now, for the seasonings that will make the lamb amazing, add 1 small teaspoon of salt, 1 small teaspoon of white pepper, and 1 small teaspoon of ground cumin. Then, pour in 1 large tablespoon of black soy sauce and a half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Crack 1 egg and add only the clear egg white. Here is the special secret. Add 1 fully mashed kiwi fruit. A natural enzyme in the kiwi works to soften the meat, making it incredibly tender, just like in the best restaurants. Use your hands to mix and massage the marinade into the lamb. Keep going for a few minutes until the mixture feels sticky on your fingers. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of cornstarch over the meat and mix again until every piece is lightly coated. This starch will give the lamb a smooth, velvety texture. Finally, drizzle 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over everything and mix one last time. The oil seals all the moisture and flavor inside the meat. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and place it in your refrigerator. Let the lamb rest and marinate for at least 30 minutes. This quiet time allows all the beautiful flavors to soak deep into every piece of meat. While the lamb marinates, we can make our special seasoning blend. Use a drying pan over a low heat. Add 1 large tablespoon of whole cumin seeds and 1 small teaspoon of salt. Gently toast them, stirring often until you can smell their warm, nutty fragrance. Then add 1 large tablespoon of chili powder and 1 large tablespoon of sesame seeds. Stir for just another minute until everything is wonderfully aromatic. Then pour it into a bowl to cool. After the lamb has marinated, heat a generous amount of oil in the wok or a large pan over a medium heat. While the oil is hot, carefully add the lamb pieces. Let them cook gently, stirring occasionally until they are cooked through and have a slightly crispy golden brown color on the outside. Once the lamb is perfectly cooked, turn off the heat. Generously sprinkle your handmade cumin and chili seasoning over the top. Add a handful of fresh onion slices and a bunch of fresh cilantro. Give everything a few quick, finely toasts to combine. The result is a sizzling, fragrant dish with lamb that is crispy on the outside, wonderfully tender on the inside, and far more satisfying than any version you could buy.